So we are going to be working with portraits, and if this is backwards, it's drawing the face. And so the first step we do in drawing a portrait is to draw pretty much a plus sign in the middle of the paper. That means halfway. Then, second, I want you to draw, if you don't know how to draw an oval, these are guides that will help you draw the oval. So then if you think of a balloon, like blowing up a balloon, you have your hand about like this. That's kind of the contours of the face. It's not like this. It is round like that and not like that. So you can erase that so I can still see your marks. That's why we're using chalk on top of construction paper so that we can see how we corrected ourselves. Second, we're going to start with the features. And so the eyes are sort of right in the middle of the head. This is about as big as my head, and my eyes are about in the middle. So let's get that shape. I like to think of it as football shape or almond shape. And notice how the eyes touch the line. This is a general, these are general proportions for the face. Next, we're going to go to the nose. You can't see mine because it's under the mask. So that's halfway between my eyes and my chin. That means it's about right here. Yep, that's where my nose is. And so I'm going to draw a line all the way across halfway between the eyes and the chin, about right there, and draw a little smiley face with two little lines across it, and or like a C shape, I guess, on both sides. And that gives you a general nose, which is the septum, that middle piece. And that's a different shape for everybody. So this is a general shape. And then the two lines on the side are the nostrils. Halfway between the nose and the chin is the mouth. That's about where the lips meet approximately. It's a little different for everybody, like I said, but again, I'm going to draw a line right in the middle, and I'm going to do where the lips meet. This is approximately what you should see right now. You can see my lines. I'm trying to get them right. I like to see that with my students so I can see how you're struggling with the work. So we're going to make little details such as the shapes on top of the mouth and the bottom of the mouth. That's sort of like an M. This is like a U. That makes the lips. So if that helps you to think of that. Next, we're going to do eyebrows. So we're going to draw this line right here at the bridge of the nose. And then we're going to do just some general eyebrows. And then try to think ahead, where would that hairline be? So here we go. Doing a couple lines. You can draw a double line for the eyebrows. And then you can use the side of your chalk to sort of draw the hair. So that's a rough version of a face. So the ears, I like to think of it as if I put my finger on my eyebrow all the way across, that's the top of the ear. That means it starts down here and goes up. So we know where the top of the ear would be. And then if I put my finger under my nose and what drew all the way across, that goes to the bottom of the ear. So I know about how long the ear is going to be. So this is how we draw it. You can mark where those lines would be. And then you can start in a little bit from the head and then go ahead and draw a little higher and start lower and go a little higher, just like your ear starts low and goes high and low and goes high. Then the neck pretty much drips off of the face. So you can see it's not a little skinny toothpick like a caricature. It more drips off of the face. So that is the basics of how to draw a face, portrait, and it uses proportion.